Hi guys, good morning. Captain JCRage here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we have a flight going to Laguindingan, Cagayan de Oro. Our flight is going to use an Airbus 321 Neo. So it is going to be a passenger flight. Going to Laguindingan, I think it's about an hour and 15 minutes of flying time going to Laguindingan. So it's going to be a bit longer flight since it's from Manila to Mindanao, and hopefully we have good weather today, good aircraft. But before that, I noticed that majority of you guys who are watching my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. I've been looking at the analytics of my channel, and I just like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel before watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on all of our videos. That will help me a lot. And my goal for this year is to reach 100,000. We still haven't reached the 50,000 yet, but we're almost there. And just like I promised you, there will be a gift for a lucky viewer, a lucky subscriber, once we reach 50,000. And yun, yung goal ko is sana makaabot tayo ng 100,000 for this year. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, on my Instagram. I will put all the links below. I also have an FB page if you don't know. So all of those I will put the links down below. So check it out. Please like it and follow it. Tapos na kami sa we're done with all the preparations in the aircraft, and we're just waiting for the passengers to board the aircraft, to finish boarding, and also all the cargo. So habang naghihintay, nagdala si Ray ng kape.
Kape, thank you.
Brewed coffee. Sarap pare, thank you.
Yes sir.
So ito yung buhay namin. Ngayon madaling araw, gigising kami ng maagang maaga. Kailangan namin ng kape. Para sharp. And I'm flying today with Ray.
Morning.
Yes, Ray. How old are you, Ray?
29.
29, batang bata.
4 years and a half sa company.
4 years and a half?
Yes sir.
How old were you when you started flying?
So that's around 25.
25 years old?
25 years old. Swerte, kahit pa paano.
Oh. So, batang bata.
Yes.
Grabe. So, I'll be flying going to Laguindingan, and later Ray will be flying us going back to Manila. So, dito lang kami makakapag-film kasi mamaya sa flight hindi kami makakapag-film. Anong masasabi mo, Ray? Anong kwan? Ngayong pandemic.
Sa mga gusto pa magpiloto, I guess tuloy nyo lang and don't lose hope kasi babalik naman din lahat. Ngayon na nga, may vaccine na, so tuloy nyo lang ang pangarap kasi ganun din ako nagsimula.
Yun! Huwag kayo mawawala ng pag-asa.
Yes!
Saka keep on dreaming because yun yung umpisa nung yung pangarap, yun yung umpisa nung reality na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay nyo. And yun, tama, sabi mo yung sa vaccine. We received an email already regarding dry ice, di ba? So yung dry ice, yun yung mga
transport,
how we will transport the vaccines.
Yep.
So wag kayo mawawala ng pag-asa. We are being briefed kasi yung dry ice is considered to us as hazardous material, but it is necessary para matransport natin yung mga vaccine because it is part of the storage ng vaccine. So malapit na, darating na yan sa atin. And the aviation is a key to distributing all those vaccines around the country and around the world. So later we'll go back to you pagdating namin sa Laguindingan.
See you!
1 hour later.
Hi guys, we just landed at Laguindingan Airport and we encountered thunderstorms on our approach here. Pero buti na lang wala siya sa runway. That's what we don't like when there is thunderstorm on top of the runway. So yung weather dito hindi ganun kaganda. Maulap sa Laguindingan.
Yes.
Ano masasabi? Good boys flying.
Nakalanting. Boys
Yes.
talaga.
Good boys flying kasi nakaland pa rin kami. kahit na hindi maganda yung weather.
Oh, walang divert, wala.
Hindi kami nag-divert. So pag ganitong kaagang lipad, like what I always do, buti na lang may dalang kape yung kasama ko. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong inumin.
Sintapang natin.
Sintapang natin yung kape. Ang sarap ng kape ni Ray.
Yes sir, you're welcome.
So pag ako ang kalipad, ang weakness ko lang talaga kape. Always.
Ako rin.
So,
kape talaga. Especially pag early morning.
Pag early morning, kape ka rin.
Kape talaga. Yung wala nang sugar, wala nang creamer, all coffee. Yes.
That's the healthy way.
Healthy way.
Healthy
Good for
way.
your liver.
Yes.
Pambawi.
Ray,
Yes sir.
ano pang ma-advise mo sa mga gustong mag-umpisa na mag-join sa atin dito?
Una-una, siguro alamin nyo muna kung passion nyo talaga ang flying. Kasi regardless of magkano si sweldo mo dito sa airline industry, kung passion mo talaga, tatagal ka sa industriya. Pinaka-importante yun, passion. Kasi kung wala, minsan, mawalan ka ng gana mag-aaral, hindi pwede yun. Kasi constantly, every 6 months talaga nag-aaral tayo eh. Almost every day you learn something new. With the ones you fly with or through experience. Diba? Kaya yun. Pangalawa, other than your passion, dream big. Kasi hindi lang pwede tayo mag-settle sa pagiging first officer. Kailangan maging great leaders din tayo. Siyempre, yun yung isa una requirement. Kaya yun, sa lahat na nanonood, passion, keep the passion burning and keep the dream alive. Yun lang.
Exactly. So hindi nyo lang sa akin narinig yon. Narinig nyo rin sa kasama ko. Saka kapag i-hire kayo ng company, hindi kayo hina-hire ng company para maging first officer lang buong buhay nyo. Hina-hire kayo ng company kasi gusto nilang makita, yung mga hina-hire ng company, ang gusto nilang makita kung may potential ka na maging kapitan,
Yes.
na mag-lead,
Definitely.
na maging leader. Yun yung tinitignan nila. So dapat kasama yun sa mga traits mo. Thank you, Ray.
Tama yan. Good luck sa inyo guys and like and subscribe.
Yes! Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, like what I said earlier, marami pa sa inyo yung nanonood ng mga videos ko pero hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. So, help me out guys. Sana ma-reach natin yung goal natin. Ito yung mga kalipad ko. Hi girls. You are? Angeline and si?
Effie.
So, we're preparing now to board all the passengers.
Yes.
Yan. So, lahat sila naka-PPE.
Alright.
We are concerned about your health. Sige. Ito si Bern. So, yun yung mga passengers namin. O nga pala, nakalimutan ko sabihin. We are flying the newest aircraft that Cebu Pacific have.
Amoy Europe.
Amoy Europe. Amoy bago pa, sobrang bago.
Amoy talaga. Leather,
So,
seats, amoy...
Lahat
seats
bago.
and everything.
Mga pintura, ang gaganda pa.
Ganda ng shocks.
Oh, ang ganda ng shocks. Napaka-smooth ng landing ko.
Ganda ng shocks. Ayun.
So, again, tapos na kami sa preparation namin, tapos na kami sa briefing namin. Hinihintay na lang namin yung mga pasahero at saka yung cargo na maisakay sa eroplano para makabalik kami ng Manila.
Yep. So, on schedule.
Yan guys, super bago pa. Ito yung pogi nating FO.
Wala, get afford sir.
Sharp na sharp, ang bilis mag-prepare.
Dahil sa kape.
Ano?
Dahil sa kape yun.
Dahil sa kape, mabilis mag-prepare, no?
Mabilis mag-prepare.
Kompleto lahat. Breathing, lahat.
Everything.
Alright. Sharp! So like what I said kanina, we are flying the newest aircraft that we have on the fleet. This is the Airbus 321neo. And this particular aircraft yung pinakabago sa lahat. I think 1 month pa lang ata to or 2 months old. So everything is napakaganda pa. Actually, our company has the youngest fleet. Ibig sabihin nun, most of our aircraft are very young, very new. But it doesn't mean na kapag yung aircraft medyo may edad na, it doesn't mean na hindi siya maganda. Actually, all aircraft are being maintained properly according to standards. And kahit na matagal na yung aircraft, yung mga parts nun, bago lahat yan. Kasi meron lang particular time and particular number of hours kung kailangan ng palitan kaagad. So hindi pwedeng parang i-extend na pa, sige, hindi pa, pwede pa yan mga 2 years. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Lahat sa aircraft, limitado ang oras niya. Merong certain amount of time na pwede mo lang siyang gamitin, tapos kailangan palitan na yon. So ganun lahat. So yun, para sa kaalaman ninyo.
1 hour later.
Okay, we are back in Manila now. Tapos na kami. Ray, salamat.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You're welcome,
Sharp.
sir.
Anong masasabi mo sa mga viewers natin?
Again, like and subscribe kay Captain. Dahil marami kayong matututunan. Totoo yan. Mga payo ni sir.
So, tulad ng sabi ni Ray, saka sinasabi ko dati, kailangan yung passion, kailangan mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Kailangan, mula umpisa pa lang, mahal mo na siya.
Alam mo na yung trabaho.
Oo, alam mo yung trabaho mo.
It's not about the money. It's not about the yung lifestyle ng piloto.
Yes.
It's about the job. It's about handling yung lives ng tao and landing safely as
Yes.
well as taking them home na maayos, di ba, sir?
That's the responsibility that you have on your shoulders.
Yes.
You're bringing up to 200 lives, and that's your responsibility. Our responsibility is not to bring you early or bring you on schedule all the time. Our responsibility is to bring you home safely.
Exactly.
That's our main responsibility. As the pilots and the crew are trained to train for all kinds of emergencies to ensure your safety.
Correct. Kaya, see you guys soon. Hopefully, you guys still fly. Walang takot na walang
Yes.
takot. Walang pamba.
Sa mga nag-iisip na mag-aaral ng
Oo.
flying, ngayon yung umpisahan nyo na kasi by the time na matapos kayo, balik na sa normal yung
Yung normal ang hiring.
aviation. So, until next time, until our next video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So, until next time, bye!
Bye!
Girls, thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you! Mga kalipad ko, sayang di nyo makikita yung mga ganda nila. Next time, si Burns, si Lou,
Number 1.
si Effie, hello, Angeline, and Mika. Okay?
JC Rage, Captain JC Rage.
Yes.
Yes.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Yes. Di ba giveaway ba to?
Of course, ang pinakagwapo kong FO.
Ay, grabe, sir! Gwapo yung may hawak ng
Uy,
camera.
fairness ha, meron